The internet is becoming the town square for the global village tomorrow. Hi all, I'm isshanasivakumar and you're watching my channel justaddknowledge. Just as Bill Gates said, the present is wholly dependent on the internet. The different apps we use to socialize have introduced us to a whole new language of its own. It has turned English upside down and you need to know some words to get by. So yesterday, when I was just texting my friend, my aunt came up and asked me what I was texting. She didn't know most of the abbreviations we used for chatting. So then I thought maybe everyone should know about these acronyms, and I came up with the perfect topic for all. So why should we learn the internet slang? Just to communicate with the others in the latest way. A hearty welcome to our newcomers and please do subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. LIT, lit. This is used when you want to say that something is very cool or excellent. You're enjoying. Instead of saying the movie was very cool or I enjoyed the movie, it was nice, you can say the movie was lit. Number 2. Hifw. This is very commonly used in social networking apps, habitually in memes and GIFs. This illustrates how I feel when. For example, you can post a pic of a frustrated person and give a caption, Hifw, how I feel when my mom says that I have to clean my room. Number 3. YSK. This slang word in full form is you should know. When you are describing a context and giving information on what's happening, you can use YSK. For example, YSK, you should know that he doesn't host parties often. Number 4. ROFL. This abbreviation in full form is rolling on the floor laughing. This represents the emotion of laughing hard. This has become very popular among the young. So the next time you come across something very funny, use ROFL. Number 5. TTYL. TTYL stands for talk to you later. You have ended your long chat with your friend, and departing with a bye seems a little old, doesn't it? No worries, you have TTYL to help you. Another related abbreviation is TTUT, which stands for talk to you tomorrow. Number 6. IRL. This signifies in real life. This is mostly used to distinguish between reality and the happenings online. Example, Anand plays a villain in the movie, but basically he's a kind man. You can say Anand is a good man IRL in real life. Number 7. IMO or IMHO. This represents in my opinion or in my humble opinion. In social media, people get hurt easily, and by using IMO or IMHO, you convey that this is your statement and you're not hurting others' opinion by it. For example, IMHO, in my humble opinion, this plan is unlikely to succeed. Number 8. DM, meaning direct message. This is to send a message directly to that person instead of commenting in social media where it is socialized. Example, if a distant friend is asking you some personal information, you can send, DM me your number and I'll let you know. Number 9. GOAT, goat. Even though it is a goofy slang word, it has become a very popular term. It It is an abbreviation for greatest of all time. It has a strong connection to sports and can be used to appreciate and say the best. In most common cases, you see the goat emoji. For example, Malik's famous win is GOAT, greatest of all time. Number 10. TBH. This represents to be honest, to express how you feel honestly. You have just dined in a 5-star hotel and the food is not so tasty. You can just say TBH, to be honest. This food is not worth the review. That's it. These are some of the internet slang words I use all the time. I am Hifw. This video was lit. If you know any other acronyms, do comment them. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel JustAddKnowledge. And follow me on my Insta page, link given in description. TTYL. This is me, Ishanasivakumar, signing out for today. Toodles!